this video, I will compare Stripe and Square to help you decide which payment processing solution is the best for you. And I've been using both of them for 2 years, so I think I can give you the advice you need to make a decision between the two of these. So I will divide this video into certain sections, starting with the platform overview. After, we're going to take a look at the pricing and fees, the ease of use, best for, and we're going to make a final verdict between the two. So let's not wait any longer and dive into the video. Let's start off with a platform overview. So Square is a user-friendly platform built for small businesses, providing in-person and online payment solutions with built-in hardware support. Stripe, on the other hand, is a developer-friendly payment processor designed for online businesses offering extensive API integrations. And Stripe can also be used for normal day-to-day banking. And what about the pricing and fees? Well, Stripe charges 2.9% plus $30 per transaction for online payments with additional fees for international transactions. Square, on the other hand, offers a flat 2.6% plus a $10 fee for card-present transactions and a 2.9% plus $30 for online sales fee. So what about the ease of use? Well, Square is easy to use, offering an all-in solution with point-of-sale hardware and software. And as you can already see from the website, it is really nice and really well organized, and it looks really aesthetic as well. And this is also telling you and confirming that everything is easy to use. And what about Stripe? Well, Stripe requires some technical setup, but it provides highly customizable payment solutions. So if you want more customization features, then Stripe will be better for you. And what about an overall view of best for? Well, I would say that Stripe is best for e-commerce businesses, SaaS platforms, and enterprises needing flexible online payment processing. And Square, on the other hand, is best for small businesses, restaurants, and brick-and-mortar stores looking for a simple POS system. And let's make a final verdict between the two. So I would say choose Stripe for advanced online payment solutions and Square for seamless in-person and online sales. And which one do you prefer, Square or Stripe? Let me know in the comments down below. Thank you for watching and subscribe to my channel.